What's up guys, today I'm gonna be blacking out the chrome accents on my Honda Accord, and I'm gonna be installing rain guards as well. Gonna be blacking out all this part from here to the front on both sides, so let's do it. So this is what it looks like after it's been blacked out. See, this is what I should say right now, and this is the difference between what I still need to do. See how this is chrome and this one is blacked out. The rest of it has been blacked out already. As you can see, I already did this piece right here. I'm only missing this piece right here. I'm just gonna finish this and then do the other side, which I'll probably do off camera because I'm running out of daylight. Then I'm gonna be showing you guys what it looks like after everything is done. Maybe not today though, but I'll record it tomorrow and show you what it looks like. Alright guys, so I said I was gonna show you what the end result looked like, and here it is. This is after I blacked out all the chrome trims. See how I blacked out from this part to that side over there. See how there is no more cream except for the door handles. I blacked out the other side as well though, but I'm not gonna show it in this video. Also, I know I said I was gonna be installing rain guards, but I kind of like the look. I kind of like the way it looks like without the rain guards, so I'm just gonna be leaving it like this for a little bit. I also have the rain guards in the trunk, so I might be installing them in a different video, but for now I'm just gonna keep the car like this. Alright, this is a wrap up. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. I'll see you guys in the next video.